guys, what's up? Welcome to another video of the Tech Line. So guys, how are you guys doing? I hope so you're doing well. I hope so you enjoy the videos from the channel, and I hope so you all enjoy the videos. So guys, today's video is based on the best smartphones to buy in the 2018. But before getting to the video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel right now, and also turn on the notifications on so you will be notified with the new videos. And guys, don't forget to give the feedback about the video in the comment section. Your feedback is very important to improve on the next videos. So don't forget to give the feedback about the video in the comment section. So yeah, let's jump into the other video. So guys, today we are going to talk about best smartphones to buy in the 2018. So guys, the first smartphone that we're going to talk about, it's the iPhone X. Yeah, I know, I hope you all guys know, and some of you also have this phone right now, iPhone X. So yeah, did iPhone is the best smartphone of 2018? Yes, it is, but the Samsung Galaxy S9 is so close. While the Apple's on iPhone 8 Plus gives you much better iPhone 10 technology without cost you extra work. So yeah, it looks very similar to the iPhone 10, iPhone 8 Plus. So yeah, let's talk about it, some more features that iPhone 10 has. iPhone has a weight of the 174 grams, which looks is a little bit light than the iPhone 8. The operating system, it has iOS 11, which is the latest one operating system from the Apple. So yeah, it looks good. If we talk about its RAM, it has a 3 GB of the RAM, and the storage, it has a 64 to a 256 GB of the storage. So yeah, it looks a very amazing smartphone of it by RAM and the storage. The CPU that built in it, it's Apple A11 Bionic, which is a good one, and the battery, it has built-in battery, as you guys know, and the camera, the rear camera, the Apple is so much famous about its camera also. So yeah, it has a dual 12 megapixel camera on its back and the 7 megapixel camera on its front. So yeah, it looks a very beast mobile smartphone right now in the 2018, which is to buy right now. And if you want to buy it right now, there is a link in description. You can buy it right now with a very reasonable price, and yeah, go buy that mobile smartphone right now and let me know about your opinion, your feedback about this mobile. So yeah, I'm waiting for your review in the comment section. The other best smartphone that you can buy right now is the Samsung Galaxy S9. So yes, Samsung is the biggest brand, Android brand right now in the worldwide, boosting the brilliant Infinity Edge, which display 84% of the body and cutting edge goods. Yep, this futuristic smartphone is a locker. Samsung managed to resist the temptation to add iPhone X style notch, which is definitely a good thing. And yeah, Samsung has its own identity. So yeah, it makes a Samsung Galaxy S9 a very great mobile to buy right now. So yeah, let's talk about its more features. So yeah, Samsung Galaxy S9 has the weight of the 163 grams. Yeah, it's a little bit very lightweight than the iPhone X. And if we talk about it's the Android version, it has an Android version of 8.0. The processor that built in it, it's an octa-core processor, which is the latest one in the Android market. If we talk about it's a battery that is built in, it has a 3000 mAh. That looks so amazing battery timing. So yeah, and the RAM, it has a 4 GB of the RAM. The hard drive that built in the storage, it has a 64 GB of storage, which looks so amazing than smartphones. If we talk about its a camera, yes, Samsung in the previous smartphones, it has a very great result in their camera. So yeah, it's a back camera, it has 12 megapixel, and the front camera, it is 8 megapixel. So yeah, that looks Samsung is still on it, working on its camera like always in the previous smartphone. It has a very great result. So if we talk about the reasons to buy, it is a very great design, and it has almost a flawless design also. So that's the main reason to buy it right now. And if you are willing to buy this smartphone right now, so there's a link in description. You can buy it right now and let me know about your opinion to the Samsung Galaxy S9. So guys, the next smartphone that we're going to talk about, it is a legit premium alternative to the iPhone X. Yeah, we're going to talk about Huawei P20 Pro. Huawei P20 Pro is the latest smartphone from the Chinese smartphone giant, and yeah, we really like it, and I hope so you also like it. If you like that mobile, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. It's the ideal smartphone if you are guys looking for a premium alternative to the iPhone X or Samsung Galaxy S9. So yeah, and yeah, but this smartphone has some plenty of the features which makes it a very great of its own way. We love P20 Pro's Leica branded 3 cameras. Yes, you heard right guys, it has 3 cameras on its back guys. The first camera, which is a 40 megapixel, which has RGB colors in it. The second camera, it is a 20 megapixel and it is a monochrome. The last camera, it has a 8 megapixel, which is a telephoto. So yeah, you can capture a very amazing photos with these 3 cameras. So yeah, that looks a very great mobile, and yeah, it is the biggest feature in the 2018 that a mobile has 3 cameras on its back. If we talk about its some more features, yes, this mobile has a weight of the 180 grams. So yeah, it looks a little bit high, but yeah, a little bit heavy than the iPhone X. But it's alright, it looks a very lightweight. So if we talk about its Android version, it has an Android version of the 8.0. The CPU that built in it, it's a Kirin 970, which is our latest one. The RAM, it has a 6 GB of the RAM and the storage of the 128 GB. So yeah, you have a lot of RAM and the storage to play games, put in the amazing images and the videos. So yeah, if we talk about its battery timing, it is a very great battery timing. There is a built-in battery timing, and it has a 4000 mAh battery built in it. So guys, if you are wondering that this smartphone has 3 amazing cameras on its back, so hopefully there will be a no any camera on the front, but you are guys wrong. It has a 24 megapixel camera on its front. So yeah, which makes it a great mobile, a great smartphone. It's the smartphone that really puts a cat among the pigeons. The pigeons in this case are the Google, the Apple and the Samsung. So yeah, this is a very best smartphone which just come in 2018, and yeah, you guys can buy it right now. There is a link in description. You can buy it right now. So yeah, go buy that smartphone and let me know about your opinion. And yeah, let's move to the next. So guys, the next smartphone which we are going to talk about, it's a Google Pixel 2 XL. We can tell you how close it is between Google Pixel 2 XL, iPhone X, S9 or P20 Pro in the title of the best smartphone in the world. All 4 are the great smartphones, but with the sleek design and the great screen, the iPhone, Samsung and the P Pro has the lead in it. But it doesn't mean that the Google Pixel 2 XL is not a best smartphone. It is still an amazing smartphone because of its camera, The Google Pixel 2 XL is still an amazing smartphone. If you prioritize the camera and you want a software which is straight to the Google, so yeah, it is a best pick for you guys. So guys, let's talk about some more features. So yeah, let's explore the Google Pixel 2 XL. So yeah, it has a weight of the 175 grams, which is a very lightweight to handle that. It has the operating system of Android 8 version. So yeah, it's a little bit old one to the 8.1, but yeah, it's still a very good one. So the processing unit that built in it, it's a Qualcomm Snapdragon 78035. So yeah, it looks a very great processing unit that is built in. So the battery timing, it has a very great battery timing. The battery is built in which is a 3520 mAh. If we talk about its storage, it has a 128 GB of the storage and the 6 GB of the RAM. So yeah, it has a very great camera. Trust me, it has a very high quality image camera, and it has a very super software which are direct to the Google. So yeah, that's our smartphone Google Pixel X2 XL. So yeah, it is a very great smartphone to buy right now, and if you want to check it out, there is a link in description. You can check it out right now. Go buy that smartphone and let me know about your opinion in the comment section. So guys, that's the video for today. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Yeah, give the thumbs up to just to show some support to the channel right now. And if you're watching this video for the first time, you are watching me for the first time, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now and also turn on the notifications on so you will be notified with the new videos. And guys, also don't forget to give the feedback about the video in the comment section. Your feedback is very important to give, so yeah, we will be able to improve on the next video. So guys, right now I'm having a break. Go check out some link in the description while I'm having the break, and I will see you with another video. Goodbye.